Nna gbaghara anyị agbachikwa na nkịtị anyị ma na onye njọ ka anyị bụ nna gbaghara anyị ewo eze gbaghara anyị agbachikwa na nkịtị anyị ma na onye njọ ka anyị bụ eze gbaghara anyị nna gbaghara anyị agbachikwa na nkịtị anyị ma na onye njọ ka anyị bụ nna gbaghara anyị eze gbaghara anyị agbachikwa na nkịtị anyị ma na onye njọ ka anyị bụ nna gbaghara anyị okuku Chukwu special general Chukwu special general 2233 dark all night 2233 dark all night Chukwu the energy that higher energy Chukwu and Otuya like the crew Chukwu and Otuya Chukwu the higher energy and the crew Chukwu and Otuya thrones technologies energies stand up now there are so many problems, challenges the world are facing. Sometimes you see this country, they're having different kind of problems. Problems, different kind of issues, different kind of disease that continue to come back and repeat, that continue to recycle upon all the prayers, the religious prayers, the crafts, all banishment. When you think they are gone, sometimes you see that disease come back in a different form and different kind of virus, different kind of disease. Now, Chukwu, that higher energy, and the crew, the throne to be established worldwide, to be established in all countries, nations, states, families, generation, ancestries, all country, all foundation. Then the throne, Chukwu and that Chukwu and Otuya, O-T-U, then Y-A, the crew and all the crew, to come together and all their energies, all established in all place. Chukwu special general 2233 dark all night Chukwu and Otuya Chukwu and Otuya thrones technologies, energies stand up. After the prayer, I will teach you the way to summon that Chukwu and Otuya in your foundation, in your science and technologies, the words you use and the way to sing them like a song. In times of problems, in times of disaster, or anytime, wherever you are. And how to welcome the power, authorities, manifestation, all you ask and all you pray into your body, foundation, science, technologies, your group, your craft. They are for everybody. You are going to church, Catholicism, Christian, Hinduism, Buddhism. You refuse to go to church, you are going to anywhere, in any group you belong. But make sure the group you are, any place you are, you have no negative mind no bad intention against anybody. Yeah? Then the prayer work for you. When you summon the energy, Chukwu and Otuya, like the crew, then you see what happens. Yeah? First of all, let me bring all together. Yeah? Then we skyrocket, establish, then I give you the word to use. Yeah? I use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats, all 33, 22, 33 kola nut drinks. Eh? Chukwu and Otuya, Chukwu, the higher energy there. And Otuya, Otuya, Aja na Chukwu, Aja and Chukwu, Chukwu, that energy, justice. Where all the Ezumezu, universal energies, table their report and they sign them on that Aja na Chukwu, that Chukwu justice. Then they take them back to all countries, nations, families, because they are now approved. Aja na Chukwu, Okuku Calabash energies, and Akotule of power, authorities, manifestation, Chukwu, that Chukwu, Aja na Chukwu. Then in that Chukwu, the spirit, the Obu house male, like the crew now, and all the energies, the masculine energies, the masculine, isi akakwo akworuru, isi akakwo akworuru, the head to all the saints. Like you remember in the scripture when they say Jacob, when Jacob died, I think that was Jacob, when he died, he was surrounded by his ancestors, the elders. He was surrounded by them. I think in another place, they say there are elders that surround the throne of God. In tradition, we call them Isi Akaku, the head. Those elders, both masculine and feminine, there. Then the masculine and all the good energies stay in the Obu. There, Chukwu. Then Isi Akaku Akworuru. Then Isi Akaku Akworuru, male means Ichie or Ichie male. Ichie Woke. Then the male. Then all the Isi Akaku females. Ichie wine, the feminine Ichie. In their own Mpuke house kitchen. And calling the crew. Then all the energies in Chukwu, fire element. Fire element Chukwu. With red color. Then Udo, the higher Udo, where all the Udo, like the fire element Udo, fire element uses red color. Some call them in other culture, Amadioha, the head, and the Esmers there, and their energies, there, where all the Udo Budo table their reports, all the Udo from all continents, all countries, all family, table their reports, and in that Udo male, Ijite Ose, Udo female, Akose, the feminine. Then we have on the earthland element, Chukwu, we have Ngene Ngene, the higher Ngene, where all the Ngene, like the earthland energy, the spirit that uses green color, where all they come together, table their reports. Table their reports. The higher Ngene uses green color. Then Ngene male, Ijitete, there. Then the feminine, Akete, Akete, the green, all uses green, both masculine and feminine, husband and wife. and calling the crew. Then we have arrow, bu arrow, arrow, A-R-O-H. Some put a dot on the bottom of the O, and take off the H. But you can put H at the end of O. Like arrow, A-R-O-H. Arrow, then you space bu, B-U. Then you space again and say arrow. Then you are referring to that higher arrow, like the king to all the arrow. And an arrow, the air wind element, the energy, the spirit. In other places they call them Gabriel the messenger. There's a name too, Gabriel the messenger. Then Udo Budo the red on the red fire element, Michael. Then Ngene, the archangel associated with archangel Raphael. Then let's go to the fourth. We have on the fourth the water element, Chukwu, that higher energy, Chukwu, the water element. And in that water element, we have the higher Ogugu bu Ogugu. Ogugu bu Ogugu. Ogugu bu Ogugu. Ogugu bu Ogugu. The higher Ogugu uses blue color. Uses blue color. The male, the masculine Ogugu bu Ogugu. We call them Ijitobi. Then the feminine, we call them Akobi. Then on the arrow, on the air wind, when I say arrow by arrow, then the masculine arrow uses yellow, or the arrow uses yellow. There, the higher arrow. On that higher arrow, we have the masculine and the feminine. And the masculine arrow by arrow, you call them Ijitora, the masculine. Then the feminine, you call them Akora, the feminine. They are now complete. Then in that Chukwu crew, you have Akodi, Akoba, higher and lower justice, Aja and Ruku, Aja and Anta. But you call them now there, Ajana bu Ajana. Now you hear about all the justice, the Supreme Court here on earth, both physical and spiritual. But there, we have the Chukwu Ajana bu Ajana, the higher to all the Ajana justices. When you table your report to Ajana bu Ajana, and all the Ajana, all the justice assemble, and Ajana bu Ajana sign good, then they spread them to other Ajana, the justices. Akodi, higher Ajana, a higher justice, Ajana Uku, Akobala, the lower, all the lower justices. The lower justices, Ajananta. The table they report there. Then in all the energies there, we have their individual Okuku Calabash energies and Akotule of power, authorities, manifestation, and their Uj, and their Otutu, and their Ebo Ngene green, Ebo Ngenebu Ngene green there, and the UFO Ngenebu Ngene, UFO, UFO Ngenebu Ngene, they are all energy, and power and authority. Then in that arrow we have arrow by arrow. Then again we have Ofo Ogugu bu Ogugu, the higher Ofo to Ogugu bu Ogugu. Ofo like the Akotule in Alpha, Akotule. Then the translation Ofo, they are power, authorities, manifestation, and the symbol there. Then in the Ajana justice, we have Ofo Ajana ba Ajana there. And we also have there autopsy, Ajana ba Ajana there. The autopsy, O-T-O-S-I, autopsy. They are used to cleanse, forgive sin, break away all kind of negativities, all kind of gospel, break away curses, break away sin, all unclean, all fault, all wrong. Then you use autopsy, break them out on the justice. Then that person goes and have no more sin, no more fault against him or her. There, they are now complete. They are now complete. And in all, we have their 7G. 7G, boo, 7G. You know, we have, here we have 4G, 5G, 6G, and some are trying to upgrade to 7G. When they say the 7G, some already listed spirit, fire, earth, air, water. On that spirit, you have the Obu. Then another, we have the justice, and we have Uke Kitchen, making the 7G. Then in worldwide, the element, and all the elements from fire, fire have their own 7G. Earthland have their own 7G. Air wind have their own 7G. Water element have their own 7G. You know, different kind of 7G. But there, we have 7G, 7G. They hire to all the 7Gs, like their king. 7G, BU, 7G, like the king. Then there, we have Eze, like king to kings. All the energies, universal, physical and spiritual. All the energies, wherever they are, the Lord of all the earth, the Lord of the universe, the Lord of sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinity's orbit. Eze, Ndi Eze, king to all kings, that controls all. The word Eze, Ndi Eze, sitting on that throne, commands, the authority already bestowed on Eze, Ndi Eze, king to kings, by the master, Chukwu, the higher energy. When you speak, all the energies respect Eze, Ndi Eze, king to all kings. And all the Okuku Calabash energies and our Kotule offer power, authorities, manifestation, and 7Gs and all their authorities, all the energies. Eze, Ndi Eze, king to kings, coming. Now they are complete. I use water, boil eggs, drinks, wine, all come together, all worldwide come together, and prayer. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinity's orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all countries, Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, Arab world, transfer to all families, generations, ancestors worldwide, transfer to all states in USA. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name, transfer to you guys. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, all that goes into the body that are good, cigarette, weed for those that smoke, beer, wine, water, soda, boil eggs, fruit, food, to welcome this prayer, this energy, the highest updated, their power, authorities, manifestation, healing, and moving forward, and energize all we ask come to fulfillment, manifest instantly, and moving the world forward. Welcome them into our body foundation, science and technologies. Transfer to all police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to all the security companies. Transfer to Allied Universal Security. Transfer to Homeland Security. Transfer to all countries, their foundation. Transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative cares, all emergencies. Transfer to Serenity, recuperative care. Transfer to Wesley, recuperative cares. All transfer to all for free. Family, generation, ancestors, transfer to all. Transfer into all the sports. Both male and female sports. Transfer to UEFA. Transfer to Champions League, both men and women. Transfer to FIFA. Transfer to all the league. Transfer to Premier League. Transfer to Chelsea. Men and women. Transfer to NBA. Transfer to Lakers. Transfer to LA Clippers. And other teams there. That identify themselves to be human. Transfer to MLS, LA Galaxies, and LAFC. Transfer to NHL, hockey, LA Kings. Transfer to Rams, Los Angeles Rams, NFL. Transfer to them. Transfer to MLB, baseball. Transfer to Dodgers. Transfer to Chivas, Mexico. Transfer to Tigres, the Tigers, Mexico. Transfer to Club America, Mexico. Transfer to all Mexico country, all Mexicans. Transfer to USA men and women national team, soccer. Transfer to women basketball. Transfer to college football, college basketball. I think G League. All my prayer and this transfer there. All foundation. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention. Transfer to all churches, all religion, Hinduism, Buddhism. Transfer to Catholicism, all their foundation. Transfer into all the crafts. Freemasonries, Masons, worldwide. Ikanka, Rosicrucians, Oboni, Boy Scout, Girl Scouts, Wicca, all practicing witchcraft, using them to move the world forward. Transfer to them. Transfer into all the movies, movie theaters, Cinemark, Warner Bros, Marvel Studio, all the studios, all music industries, musicians, artists, actors, actresses. Transfer to Onyi Akametal, musician queen, and all music industry, queen, woman king, the woman queen. Transfer to her. I'm moving her forward. Transfer to all for free. Transfer to all comedy industry, laugh factory, stand-up comedies worldwide. Transfer to them. All my prayer transfer, and all my prayer and this and future upcoming. Transfer to all Nkwuaku family, my family, Nkwuaku family and extended Akametal family, our in-laws, Ibe family, Uchebo family, Umu Echete, Enugu Kwagu Kunabi, Enugu Agede, Nise Nibo, all the Igbo land, all Igbos worldwide, in home, in diaspora. Transfer to us, transfer to Nigerian government, all the states in Nigeria, transfer to all the tribes in Nigeria. All my prayer, transfer to my country, Nigeria. Transfer to Super Eagles of Nigeria and Falcon, our female team, and other group, under 20, under 17, all the league, all the club, all playing for Nigeria. Both the junior team, the higher team, all, both male and female in Nigeria team. Transfer to us and moving us forward. Transfer to all friends and well-wishers. Transfer to Uchebo family too. Transfer to all for free. All moving us forward. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, all that goes into the body to work on the prayer. Now listen now. How to bring the prayer all the time, wherever you are, in times of emergency, in any place. Memorize this word. I'll spell them. Then I'll sing them the way I sing them. MPULUTU. Mpoloto. Mpoloto. MPULUTU. Mpoloto. Then you space. MPAPU. Mpoloto. Mpapo. Mpoloto. Mpapo. Then at the end, you repeat the Mpoloto. At the end, when you say Mpoloto, then you say Mpapo. Then you say Mpoloto. You see the sound, like consonant sound, it change. Mpoloto, Mpapo, Mpoloto, like MPULUTU. Mpoloto, Mpapo, Mpoloto. Mpoloto mpapo, mpoloto. Mpoloto mpapo, mpoloto. Mpoloto mpapo, mpoloto. You see the spelling? Then I sing them now. Watch. Mpolotom papu, mpolotom, mpolotom papu, mpolotom. You see what I did? When you do that, you are telling the energy, yeah, you are calm, you are relaxed, you are still, yeah, and you came in peace. All the negativities you have in your mind against anybody, you banish them already. Yeah? Then you are ready to get help. You are ready to receive the real help. Yeah? Then they come. When you say mpolotom papo, mpolotom, mpolotom papo, mpolotom, polotom 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 papo, mpolotom, mpolotom papo, mpolotom. Are how to do that. Then after that, you say whatever you want to use, or you say, I use water. If you have the physical water, if you don't have it, wherever you are, anything you want to use to welcome the power, authorities, manifestation, all you want to manifest. Maybe you are sick or your loved one is sick, anybody around you is sick, you say, I welcome all their power, authorities, manifestation, healing, moving forward into my husband's body, my boyfriend's body, into my wife's body, my girlfriend's body, my children's body, my relation body, or the sick here, going through different kind of challenges. We try all our best, both our medicine, all, and we're having issue, having an emergency, transfer and rescue this person. Again, Mpoloto, Mpulutu, Mpoloto, then you space, Mpapu, Mpapu, Mpapu. Then at the end you say Mpoloto, Mpulutu. Yeah? Mpolotom papu, mpolotom, mpolotom papu, mpolotom, polotom 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 papu, mpolotom, mpolotom papu, mpolotom. Sanko FM Chief Priest Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA, 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 USA. All worldwide. Stand up, prayer, transfer to all, and all universal worldwide science and technologies transfer for free.